Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of agriculture and farming. In today's video, we are going to learn and know about agroforestry and its benefits. First, what is agroforestry? Agroforestry is a land use system that integrates trees, crops, and or livestock on the same piece of land. This system is designed to optimize the benefits from both agriculture and forestry while also promoting sustainable land management practices. Benefits of agroforestry. Agroforestry has numerous benefits including the soil health, biodiversity, climate change mitigation, increased productivity. First, soil health. Trees in agroforestry systems helps to maintain the soil structure and fertility by providing organic matter and nutrients, reducing erosion and improving the water infiltration. Second, biodiversity. The combination of trees, crops and livestock in agroforestry system creates a diverse habitat that supports a wide range of plant and animal species. Third, climate change mitigation. Trees sequester carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, reducing the greenhouse emissions that contribute to climate change. Agroforestry can also help to reduce deforestation, which is a major contributor to climate change. Increased productivity. Agroforestry can increase crop yields by improving the soil health, reducing pests and diseases, and providing shade and windbreaks for crops. Economic benefits. Agroforestry can provide additional source of income for farmers through the sale of timber fruits, nuts, and other products. Types of agroforestry. There are several types of agroforestry systems, including silvopasture, alley cropping, and forest farming. Silvopasture, the combination of trees, forage crops, and livestock on the same piece of land. Alley cropping, the combination of trees and crops planted in rows with the crops grown in the alleys between the tree rows. Forest farming, the cultivation of high-value crops under the shade of a forest canopy. Conclusion. In conclusion, agroforestry is a sustainable land use system that offers numerous benefits to both the environment and the people. By integrating trees, crops, and livestock, agroforestry can help to improve the soil health, increase the biodiversity, mitigate climate change, and provide an additional source of income for farmers